I hear a lot of people, especially when it comes to online marketing, thinking that marketing is advertising. I studied my Chartered Institute of Marketing diploma more than 25 years ago now. It was hard then. It's still one of the hardest qualifications in marketing to get because it's so rigorous and thorough. And they gave the 7 P's of marketing. And these are things like product, place, price, promotion, physical element. There's a whole bunch of them. But promotion is just one of those 7 P's, and advertising is just part of promotion. There are so many ways of promoting your business. If you go to melittacampbell.com/resources, you'll find all my sort of free resources that you can download. And one of those is a guide which has 100 free ways you can market your business. So you can see that there are so many alternatives to advertising, and it's worth trying these first to see what works before investing in advertising. Advertising can be brilliant if you want high volumes and you already know what messages are working and bringing people in. So you just put some extra fuel behind what you already know works. So testing out free organic activities first is the best place to start. And keep in mind as well that research shows that people need to see, hear of, experience you and your brand at least 7 times before they're ready to buy. So you want to have an integrated marketing strategy which puts you in front of your ideal clients. And advertising is a great way of doing that. But if you have to advertise in the volume that helps people see you 7 times, then that's going to become very expensive. So you want to use advertising as part of a bigger marketing campaign as well. And to, as I said, know what works before you put money into that as well. Otherwise, it often becomes a very expensive experiment.